Let's proceed to sample problem number 3. A regular square pyramid has a base whose area is 25 square inch. So yung base natin sa ilalim. A section parallel to the base and 3.18 inches from the vertex. So edit lang natin yung problem sa module. Has an area of 4 inches squared. So from the vertex, so meron tayong measurement na 3.18 inch. So edit ko na lang yung sa module natin para ma-apply natin yung similar figures. So the height from the vertex or the distance from the vertex to the base, to the upper base is 3.18 inches. Yung lower base natin has an area of 25 square inch. Yung nasa taas naman has an area of 4 square inch. Find the ratio of the volume of the frustum to the volume of the pyramid. So, yung nire-require dito is the volume of the frustum all over the volume of the pyramid. Hinahanap is yung ratio. So, sinabi ko nga, diba, kapag sinabi nating frustum, yun yung tinapyas dun sa pyramid natin. So, let's solve first yung mga kinakailangan natin para makuha natin yung volume ng frustum and at the same time, yung volume ng pyramid natin. So, kailangan nating isolve yung height ng frustum natin. Wherein dito sa problem natin, hinahanap talaga o nire-record bago natin ma-solve yung mga given, yung height ng frustum natin. So, let's solve. Siyempre, kailangan muna natin i-consider yung value ng ating mga bases. So, consider muna natin yung base 1. Area 1 is equal to 25 inches squared. Since square base yan, makukuha natin yung value ng x sub 1. Let's say x sub 1 yung nasa taas, x sub 2 yung nasa, x sub 1 yung nasa baba, x sub 2 yung nasa taas. So, x sub 1 is equal to square root of 25. When it is obviously equal to 5. And then, para makuha natin yung x sub 2, square root of 4 lang. So, that will become 2. 5 inches at saka 2 inches. Then, let's solve naman for the value of our h sub f or the height of our frustum. So, magagawa natin yan by means of ratio and proportion. So, kung titingnan ninyo dito sa gitna, so kung gagawa tayo ng hahatiin natin yan sa gitna. So, yung mangyayari is from the vertex, tapos dun sa gitna nung side natin, kung magdodraw tayo dyan, tapos i-connect din natin from the vertex dun sa gitna din ng ating side, and i-connect natin yung dalawa, makaka-form tayo ng triangle. So, this will become our triangle. Wherein yung nasa taas, that will be x sub 1. Yung nasa baba, ay baliktad pala, x sub 2 yung nasa taas, x sub 1 yung nasa baba. Tapos, the height dito is 3.18. Tapos yung total height natin is sabihin natin h. HP. H sub P, or the height of our pyramid. So, solve natin yan by means of ratio and proportion. So, by ratio and proportion. So, kapag nag-ratio and proportion tayo, kung triangle yung i-ratio and proportion mo, kailangan triangle din. So, hindi pwede na yung i-ratio proportion natin, let's say, no, triangle at saka quadrilateral. So, let's say, yung h sub p, or the height of the pyramid, all over x sub 1, wherein x sub 1 is equals to 5, o equals yung 3.18 natin all over x sub 2, which is equal to 2 inches. So the value of our h sub p is now equal to 7.95 inches. So, kapag nakuha natin si h sub p, makukuha na natin yung height ng ating frustum. Para ma-solve natin yung height ng ating frustum, yung h sub p natin, or yung total height, i-minus natin yung 3.18. So, minus natin, h sub f is now equal to 7.95 minus 3.18. So, h sub f is now equal to 4.77 inches. Ngayon, makukuha na natin yung volume ng frustum natin, and at the same time, yung volume ng pyramid natin. So, following the general formula, h over 3 multiplied by a sub 1 plus a sub 2 plus the product of the bases, of the area of the bases. So, the volume of our frustum will now equal to 4.77 all over 3 multiplied by a sub 1 is 25 plus 4 plus 25 multiplied by 4. So, V sub F is now equal to 62.01 cubic inch. So, para makuha naman natin yung volume ng pyramid natin, kung i-recall natin siya, so that will be 1/3 of the base multiplied by height. So, 1/3. So, ano yung base natin? 25, yung square. Multiplied by yung total height natin. Wherein yung total height natin is 7.95. 7.95. So the value of the volume of the pyramid is now equal to 66.25. So hinahanap is yung ratio. So the ratio between the volume of the frustum and the pyramid is now equal to 62.01 all over 66.25. The ratio is 0.936 or equal siya sa 117 all over 125. So this will be our answer. So let's proceed to sample problem number 4. A lampshade is in the form of a frustum of a cone with a slant height of 7 inches, radii of bases 3 inches and 7 inches respectively. How much material is used in its construction if 1/4 inches is allowed for the seam? So, gagawin natin is, dito sa problem natin, given yung slant height niya is equal siya sa 7 inches. And then yung mga radii niya, let's say dito is yung small r natin, is equal siya sa 3 inches. Dun sa taas naman, or the big R, Doon sa baba naman pala is 7 inches. So, hahanapin natin is the material use. So, nasabi ko nga sa inyo, di ba, makukuha natin yung material use dun sa lampshade natin, dun sa lateral area niya. Kunin natin yung lateral area ng frustum natin. So, nabanggit ko sa inyo na yung general formula na lang yung gamitin natin. So, in finding the lateral area, so lateral area is equal to C1 plus C2 all over 2 multiplied by the slant height. So, kunin muna natin yung circumference nung nasa baba natin. Sabihin natin this will be section 1 and section 2. So, that will be 2 pi r. So, 7 plus 2 pi, anong radius sa taas? 3. All over 2 multiplied by the slant height na 7. So, slant height is now equal to 14 pi plus 6 pi all over 2 multiplied by 7. So, yung mangyari is 20 pi divided by 2. So, that will be 10 pi times 7. So, our lateral area is now equal to 70 pi. So, ngayon, para makuha natin yung material use, so, meron tayong laging tinatawag nating seam. O yung, di ba, kapag nag-aano tayo ng yun yung pasobra para mag-close yung lampshade natin. So, anuhin lang natin ha, tawag doon. So, at a certain part ng ating, sa lateral area natin, magkakaroon tayo ng pasobra para mag-close. So, usually kasi, example yan. So, mag-o-overlap siya, yung tinatawag nating seam, tapos tinatahi dito. Para mag-close yung sa lampshade natin. So, sa mga tela na lang, example, magtatahi ka ng dalawang tela para mapag-connect mo sila ng maayos. So, kailangan meron silang overlap to each other. So, tapos, tatahiin mo. So, ganun din dito sa problem natin. So, meron siyang seam. So, yung seam daw niya is yung 1/4. So, yung consider natin dito so, yung mangyayari is the total area will now equal to 70 pi plus yung 1/4. 1/4 daw nung 7. So, the area total is now equal to 221.661 square inch. So, this will now be equal the material use na ginamit dun sa lampshade natin.